Great Zimbabwe, the stone city, Europe denied. High on the plateaus of southern Africa, amid rolling hills and whispering winds, lie the ruins of Great Zimbabwe. Stone walls rising, imperfect yet majestic, speaking of an empire once vibrant in gold, cattle, and culture. Built between the 11th and 15th centuries by the ancestors of the Shona people, this was no mere fortress. It was a capital of kings, a city of stone stretching across hundreds of acres, home to up to 20,000 inhabitants trading in gold, ivory, and exotic goods across the Indian Ocean. When European explorers first set eyes upon its soaring granite walls, they refused to believe such a marvel could have been raised by black Africans. In their minds, only Solomon's Temple, Phoenician traders, or Arab merchants could have left such monuments. German explorer Karl Mauch proclaimed it a copy of Solomon's Temple. British treasure hunters like Rhodes-backed James Theodore Bent insisted it must be Semitic in origin. Even official guides portrayed Africans as mere spectators, not creators. Yet careful, scientific excavation told another story. In 1905, David Randall McIver declared the dwellings unquestionably African in every detail. In 1929, Gertrude Caton Thompson led a groundbreaking all-female archaeological expedition that confirmed Great Zimbabwe was built by a native civilization of originality and industry. Still, colonial narratives persisted. The myth of foreign builders only faded slowly, over decades of silence, suppression, and the denial of African achievement, especially under Rhodesian apartheid, when local archaeologists were barred or silenced. Scientific American Wikipedia. Today, Great Zimbabwe stands reclaimed. The soapstone birds, once looted, now stand again. The walls, dry stone marvels built without mortar, stand as testament to creativity, resilience, and memory. These stones speak a simple truth. Africa was never a blank page before colonization. Its people built kingdoms, traded continents, and shaped civilizations. Great Zimbabwe is not a relic, it is a legacy, a testimony that greatness was and always will be African.